Today I'm going to be talking about persistence. There's an old Chinese proverb that says, fall over 7 times, get up 8 times. The message in there is don't give up. And people fail quite simply because they give up and stop doing what they need to do. Mostly just after their first setback. How many times does a child fall over? It's estimated that a child falls over 240 times while it's learning to walk. And if you watch a child when it's learning to walk, each time it gets back up on its feet to conquer and be able to walk. Unless there's something the matter with the child, how many times do we see parents carrying around their 4, 5, 6-year-old child because it can't walk? You never hear the child say, I can't walk, I can't do this. But how many times as an adult do we turn around and say, I can't do that, I can't be successful, I can't work this out? And they say failure is our teacher to the way to success. I don't like the word failure. I prefer the word feedback. Feedback because we'll know what we can adjust to put right. So many people give up on their goals because they believe that it's impossible to achieve. They believe that they can't succeed. I meet people from different walks of life, the rich, the poor, and some of them are happy and successful and live a fulfilled life. Others that have been through exactly the same situation look at life very, very negatively. Don't believe that they have got success within them. You've got all the resources you need within you. You just need help and support to bring them out. Believe you me, you can achieve your goals by being persistent. Catch up with you on my next video. Bye for now.